Hi, come on in. First off, how do you like the living room? Kipper and I redesigned it. Oh good. Glad you like it. Okay, now to tell you what's going on here. You see, Kipper and I have been hearing some strange noise here. And we're trying to figure out what it is. But we haven't had any luck yet. Maybe you can help us.
Justin, I heard the sound. It's in the kitchen.
Ooh, come on. Where did you hear it?
I thought I heard it behind the sink. I almost saw what it was, but it got away too quickly.
Oh boy. This is gonna be tougher than I thought. There it is. That's the sound we heard.
It's hiding somewhere in the whole house. We've got to find out what it is, and what's making that sound.
But how are we going to figure out what it is?
The same way we always figure out things.
By playing Kipper's Clues. That's a good idea. We'll play Kipper's Clues to figure out what's making that strange noise. We are gonna play Kipper's Clues, because it's really fun, yeah. Okay, so remember. Kipper's paw prints will be on the clues. This is a great idea. Once we have all the clues, we'll have our answer to figure out what the strange noise is for sure. But before we can look for clues, we need our notebook, right, come on. Oh good. Kipper's got my notebook ready for us to use. Alright then. Are you ready to play Kipper's Clues to figure out what's making that strange noise? Great, let's go.